Hi. We have received iPhone X with cracked screen. Let's check out how we fix it. True Tone is still active. First of all, turn off the device. We heat device to 90 degree. Next, we remove pentalobe screw and we lift the screen. Insert a opening tool between display and housing and gradually move around the edge of the display. Use suction cap to lift up the display. Remove 5 screws and shield cover. First, disconnect battery connector to prevent the circuit from burning out. Then disconnect screen and Face ID flex connector. Remove 3 screws and gently move Face ID flex to new screen. Add new plastic bracket and assemble Face ID. Now it is time to program True Tone. Read the old screen data and then make sure that it's saved to the device. Then disconnect the old broken display and connect up new one. Save data on the new display. Connect the Face ID, then the 2 cables from the display and the last one from the battery. Assemble metal shield. Now, install the display. Put in the pentalobe screws back in. Turn on device and test it. True Tone works fine. Thank you for watching.